If something has to be done right, you need right people with you. My name is Ashish Kumar Singh. I am the CEO of Loyyal. So I'm an engineer. I did my engineering from India, MBA Finance. And then in my initial years of the career, I was working with big corporates. So I was with HP, Hewlett Packard, worked in EY US for a couple of years. So I came in here and I joined EY Middle East office. Did a lot of projects with government entities and many variety of initiatives. Digital transformation, data analytics, AI, of course blockchain. The velocity of my aspiration is not matching the velocity which a corporate is offering me. So I decided that this is time where I had enough of the corporate, suited, personality and enjoyment. Let me do something by wearing a hoodie and going towards a startup journey. If I can convert a software into a SaaS, that's more sustainable money for the business and also a better growth trajectory. And this is where the genesis of Loyyal happened. Idea was that whatever we have done and developed and offered to various institutions, if we can productize it, that will really make things much better, for the business individual as well as for the audiences / consumers. So everybody knows Etisalat Smiles was a program which was very limited to just giving you points when you are doing any recharge, and redemption is also based on the bills. Secret recipe behind that was also that first of all I was involved in that project. Second was there was an element of blockchain. So this was also one validation of the product which I wanted to build. I mean, if something can be done and something has already proven, this can definitely be productized and globalized. Now coming to the Loyyal. Now Loyyal is a SaaS company. We specialized in building loyalty products and payment products. But what makes us very, very different is the disruption. Loyalty was always perceived as something which is not a serious currency. We value money, but you'll be surprised that all of us individuals who are using more than 10 loyalty applications, and this is what, by the way, Loyyal is doing. Loyyal is creating a mainstream currency out of the loyalty programs altogether. And interestingly, if I get into the market facts, 80% of the loyalty programs are not profitable or they are cost centers, which means I have 80% of the global market to tap into. And that's why just in 1.5 years, I have won projects like Emirates Airlines. Enoch project is going live next week. I've got Air India project with me. I have more than 3 or 4 banks. Already Ethiopian Airline is live. So I mean, this is a testimonial that what I'm doing is not something which was not needed. If something has to be done right, you need right people with you. And if those people are having the right experience and attitude of a hustler, I mean, that's like something very fortunate. So today, Loyyal has more than 5 patents, which makes us really something, you can say, standing out as well as stronger than ever. We know that while we have built enterprise products, they don't need a software, they don't need investment, they just need to cherish the benefits of loyalty and reward. And that is where we are launching our own token. So while we are building enterprise products and trying to make some good money from airlines and banks and Enochs of the world, we know that we are creating our own global digital currency which is going to change the perception of loyalty. When you are a hustler, so like this is my 3rd startup. I have been through ups and downs. When typically as a employee of a very big institution, you cherish everything. Like you stay in big resorts, you fly business, you do everything. But suddenly when you come to a startup, the reality hits you a bit bad that you were one of the millionth in the big institution and you could be one of the millionth in the startup. So this is what I think we are trying to do. But having said that, ego has to be brought down to zero. I mean, it's all about outcomes. Also, you have to really be down to earth. You should not be greedy on day zero. So this is also what I learned being an entrepreneur, that be true to yourself and also take care of your employees.